everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you back hook up and spin. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And now let's get started with this tutorial. So first step, neutral posture. So shoulders up, back and down, chest facing up. We are going to project our arms. So now our arms on the pole. So inside arm will grab the pole above your head. Outside arm will grab the pole crossing your chest. So now legs. Legs are really important in this move. So first we are going to step back. Then we are going to step forward with the outside leg. Then I'm going to lift my inside leg like I'm kicking back. Then I'm going to turn my body until my outside leg touches the pole. And now my outside leg is my inside leg. Then I'm going to bend my knees and I'm going to let my body spin around the pole. And I'm going to keep my knees separated. One more time. So I'm going to step back. I'm going to grab the pole with my hands. I'm going to step forward with my outside leg. I'm going to lift my inside leg. I'm going to turn my body until my outside leg touches the pole. Then I'm going to bend my knees and I'm going to let my body spin around. So now the momentum. The momentum is coming from your inside leg when you lift your leg and then you turn your body around the pole. That is gonna be your momentum. So now let's put everything together. So step back, neutral posture, shoulders up, back and down. Grab the pole with your arms. So step forward with the outside leg. Lift the inside leg and turn your body until your outside leg touches the pole. And then just let it go. So let's try with the other side. So step back, neutral posture, shoulders up, back and down. Grab the pole with your arms. Step forward with your outside leg. Lift the inside leg. Turn your body until your outside leg touches the pole. Bend your knees and let it go. Thank you everybody for watching my channel. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next tutorial.